Hey everybody, this is Bill, and welcome to the channel. Today we are talking about stock market investing, where an emerging market seems poised to open. Yes, in this video we will dive into a somewhat controversial topic, cannabis. It certainly appears that we are on the precipice of the legalization of cannabis across the country, and given the enormous opportunities that exist in the total addressable market of cannabis, I wanted to initiate some exposure. Although I do not view cannabis for personal use favorably, I have no issues for those who do, and fully understand the positive side of the legalization position. So with that in mind, I set about to find some stocks that fit my self-imposed criteria, allowing me to participate in this market. The first stock I initiated a position in was Evogene, an AI computational biology company, which trades on the NASDAQ under the symbol EVGN. I'll present a link to that video below in the description if you'd like to review it. The second stock I took a position in that we will discuss in today's video is Innovative Industrial Properties, a real estate investment trust, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange under the symbol IIPR. The company, based in San Diego, describes itself as the leading provider of real estate capital for the medical use cannabis industry. There is no question the medical use cannabis industry is positioned to continue significant growth in the coming years. Innovative Industrial Properties has an quote, acquisition strategy acting as a source of capital to these licensed medical use cannabis growers by acquiring and leasing back their real estate locations. By selling the real estate to us, then leasing it back, growers have the opportunity to redeploy the proceeds into their company's core operations, allowing them to focus on their resources on reaching as many patients as possible in need of treatment. Innovative Industrial Properties has a, quote, national portfolio comprised of specialized industrial and greenhouse buildings, 100% leased to state-licensed medical use cannabis growers. These facilities are mission critical for our operators and well located in states with robust medical use regulatory environments. The company has many attractive vehicles for licensed operators. Quote, Innovative Industrial Properties acquires freestanding industrial and retail properties from state-licensed medical use cannabis operators. The properties are then leased back under long-term absolute net lease agreements. We focus on well-capitalized companies that have successfully gone through the rigorous state licensing process and have been granted a license in the state where the property is located, end quote. While I give zero consideration to the newly initiated ESG guidelines, Innovative Industrial Properties takes it very seriously and has taken steps to ensure the company is adequately positioned and focused on a, quote, commitment to sound environmental management, collaborative community engagement, and strong corporate governance principles that align to our team's core values, end quote. Folks, the cannabis industry is exploding, and this company is generating very solid cash flow operating in a market poised for rapid expansion. I thought a description of the company by Seeking Alpha contributor Brad Thomas was noteworthy, as he stated that Innovative Industrial was the, quote, toll collector for U.S. cannabis. Sounds good to me. So we can see the basis for IIPR as a fundamentally strong company within a market I believe is poised for an increase in investment as market rotation facilitates a big run. But what about some of the numbers and the technical analysis? TipRanks has 4 analysts ranking the company with 3 buys and 1 hold rating. The lowest price target is $218. While the highest price target is $249. The average price target of $232 represents about a 17% price appreciation from the current price of approximately $200. Bullish sentiment at TipRanks is strong as well, with positive technical and investor consensus. There is increased hedge fund activity noted, bullish blogger opinions, and the news sentiment is strong. That delivers a smart score of 7, with strong buy analyst ratings attached. The company is strong on gross profit margin and has plenty of growth momentum, which fuels increasing stock price action. Investors.com shows Innovative Industrial Properties with a very strong composite rating of 97. While the current accumulation rating is only a C-, perhaps to the company being a REIT, the SMR rating and group relative strength ratings are an A, with the company's relative strength rating a solid 81 and its EPS rating a very strong 93. In reviewing the chart action of the company, the weekly chart shows a very strong run-up out of the March 2020 lows to reach a new high in March of 2021 of about $220 before backing off in limited volume to the current levels at about $200 a share. In the last trading session, the stock gapped up. However, the type of conviction you'd like to see on increased volume was lacking. However, the stock does appear well positioned to retest the previous highs at the $220 level. And on top of the outstanding price action available for the stock moving forward, it is noted the company pays a very strong dividend. In my mind, this really solidifies Innovative Industrial Properties as a strong candidate for any portfolio and a prime candidate for those looking for a play in the exploding cannabis market. Folks, drop us some comments with regard to your thoughts on Innovative Industrial Properties. We think this is a very strong company, poised for growth and very attractive with that strong dividend. We certainly appreciate you watching, and keep an eye out for the next part of our 4-part series over the next couple of weeks. We would welcome you to subscribe to our page. And do smash that like button to help us with the algorithm. Thanks again for your time, and we hope to see you again next time.